YouTube? It's your boy I Fit In, and man, I'm a little annoyed at the way Eddie Hearns has been handling the criticism that Anthony Joshua gets. Of course, all of you know that there's been rumors that Anthony Joshua has also been knocked out in this fight camp by one of his sparring partners. But my thing is the response Eddie Hearn gave to that was annoying. He could have just said, "Look, don't believe the rumors. That's not the case." But instead, he revealed that Andrew Tabiti has been giving Anthony Joshua trouble. And my thing is, that was unnecessary to say, for one. For two, he said, he's a cruiserweight. He's much faster than Andy Ruiz. No, I don't think he's much faster than Andy Ruiz at all. Andy Ruiz is pretty fast. If he's having trouble with this cruiserweight that is Andrew Tabiti, I don't see it being too far off from a guy that's almost as fast, that is much heavier, doing the same thing he did to Anthony Joshua last time. And my thing is, I also don't understand how you guys ever thought he was going to get in the ring with Deontay Wilder if Andrew Tabiti is too fast. Deontay Wilder has a much longer reach, much more power, just as fast, if not faster, and is very athletic on his feet. So, do you guys still believe that, and when I say you guys, I'm saying Team Anthony Joshua's whole team, do you guys still believe that Anthony Joshua can beat Deontay Wilder if he's having trouble with Andrew Tabiti, which is a cruiserweight? Like, let that marinate for a minute. And how many times are you gonna throw Anthony Joshua under the bus? It's no question to me that this is something that happens on a regular basis, being that Anthony Joshua's father was furious with you whenever he lost his belts in the first place. That means that there's been warnings before. Not only that, shout out to Fred from Barbershop's Conversation, but my man Fred has warned you before. Matter of fact, Blue Blood Sports has also warned you before about the context in which you speak whenever you're talking to the media. Like, sometimes it just seems like Eddie Hearns puts himself on the forefront and puts Anthony Joshua on the back burner. No fighter needs somebody else to talk for him. You need somebody to promote you. Saying that you're having trouble with a cruiserweight when you got to go fight a heavyweight that's already knocked you out is not helping you out right now. It's not helping the odds. And it's not giving your fans very much faith in you. It's definitely not giving the doubters much faith in you. You guys still got to get people to tune in for this fight. Eddie Hearns is effing up the bag with some of the stuff he says. But at the end of the day, as long as the fight is is taking place and the venue is solidified, Eddie Hearns is going to get his check. You see where that comes in, and how in the video where I talked about Canelo, I said chess not only happens inside the ring, but chess also happens outside the ring. Eddie Hearns is one chess playing MF. That's one chess playing SOB. And I'm trying not to cuss because I never know who's watching, but I mean his bag is secure. As long as he can get his boys to get in that ring and fight, and the zone gets to keep keeping their promises that they're gonna have this fight happen on this date and all that stuff, and all these contracts they're setting up for people, 11 fight contracts, 6 fight contracts, 5 fight contracts. As long as that's happening, Eddie Hearns is gonna get paid. Keep that in mind, Anthony Joshua. You might want to change management, man. I Fit In. Out.